So we get this question all the time, and we're going to discuss one of our most popular rentals, our AMG G63. It is a 2021, and it is finished in Arabian gray, which is factory paint from Mercedes-Benz. It also has the night package, which features this black trim on the exterior and the wheels. Heading into the interior, you're going to find classic Designo red with a secondary black hide. It also features the carbon fiber interior trim package from Mercedes. Because the car can seat up to 5, it makes it one of the most popular ones because it is very comfortable. And on top of being a beautiful spec, this is a twin turbocharged V8 engine pushing about 577 horsepower. So the performance is also there. What do you guys think? Would you rent it? Make sure to check out our full fleet at www.monzaexotics.com.